Start practical video. Let's go. Click plus icon, delete, click save, select a save, on save, opacity, click a color, select color, resize the shape, resize, click save, click resize color, resize the shape, next set, click save, resize the shape, resize, click white color, setup, resize, and setup. Next, opacity, background opacity, decrease. Next, setup, opacity decrease. Next, click shape tool, click shape, reload, resize the shape, set a upper side, click color, click shape button, same shape, and set and resize the middle position shape, save and resize, and click color, click shape tools, same shape, rotation, resize shape, set same shape, size, yes, okay, rotation, set middle position, middle set, and change, and click color shape, change color, shape, click shape, and middle shape size, and rotation, and move middle position, set, change color, set a middle position, and rotation, and change color, click shape tools, click same shape, and resize, and move size, okay, and rotation, and middle position set, and middle position set, and click color, click and shape, same shape, and resize the middle position, resize, and click color, and next move the shape, rotation, set middle position, set, yes, rotation, slight rotation, click shape tools, same shape, click resize the shape, size, and size and change color, click color and move and rotation, set a middle rotation, shape, next yes, rotation, proper side set, yes, next click shape tools, resize the shape and resize and move and rotation and middle position set, change color, yes, change color, yellow color, next click shape tools and select shape and move and resize and move, set a middle position, next click shape tools, same shape click and under change color shape and next shape change color, move the set middle position, set rotation and move, resize and set, next shape tools click, select shape and change color, move the middle position, set it and next move, set the position, proper position, look, next click shape tools and select a shape and move the middle position and move and resize the shape and set a proper side, to change color white, next click white yellow, next a text click and type G and change color and say click move the text size, more text size, set the text and text style bold and change color and done and save button click and save single level, save gallery. Thank you, watch the video.